What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we are here to talk about MMAT options, and we're going to go over possibly buying calls and selling calls and all that in today's video. We're also going to touch base on the share price and FinTel information as well. So hope you're ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. So here we are. I'm using Robinhood because they have the easiest, I think, options thing to navigate through. So first thing of options, you have to decide to pick your expiration date. Now, in my personal opinion, if I'm looking at metamaterials options, I'm going to need to go about the farthest out I could get, because I think with metamaterials, guys, we have a lot of stuff coming down the pipeline. I tried to buy options in January of 2022, and that did not go well because I was expecting the options to have a big effect because we were supposed to have the dividend by the end of 2021. That did not happen. January 22 comes around, my options expire worthless because metamaterials stock dropped. So we are supposed to get a dividend announcement here sometime, this year. But in case that doesn't happen, because that has happened before, but the share price is down a lot already, so there's not much more room that this stock could go, trading at $1.50. So if it's me personally, I would suggest to look at the January 19th, 2024. That gives you almost 2 years for the stock to make a move. So we know by then the dividend should be resolved. I think it's going to be probably later Q2, Q3, possibly early Q4. We should have everything done. You could select the January 20th of 2023, but for a little bit more, you get a whole year to let the stock do its thing. We're going to go over the price. So if you're bullish on MMAT stock, I always personally like to buy the lowest dollar strike price closest to the share price you can get. So our share price is $1.50. This strike is for a $2 here, guys. It's going to cost you $80 for this contract. You can see your break even on this contract is for metamaterials stock to be $2.80, expiring January 19th, 2024. And if you click on this here, down here at the Greeks, you're going to see the delta. What that means is roughly for every dollar metamaterials goes up on the delta, you're going to get about $74 added to your contract of profit for the delta. That's how much you're going to make per dollar. So if this dividend comes out great and this stock squeezes up $5, $10, or people saying could be $50 to $100, you're going to make $75 for each dollar this thing moves up. So that's why it's key to go farther out, because if the stock doesn't move, it trades sideways. Your contract being it's 2 years out, the theta decay you can see is basically nothing. 0.0006. The theta decay is really low on this one. So this is the contract I personally have been looking at. So like I said, that's totally up to you to pick what you want. If you look at the $3, your break even is $3.73, and your delta is 69 cents. So basically, you're going to get $69 for every dollar that it goes up on the $3. So for $7 more, I think the $80, it's closer to your break even. You want to get the break even as close to the share price because that's less risk, in my opinion. So I personally like looking at the $2 January 19, 2024 options for $80. Now, let's go take a look at the difference on the January 20th, 2023. Let's say you're speculating that you think we're going to have big move in the share price before January of next year. So you're thinking we're definitely going to have the dividend resolved, but if you want to be, you could save a little bit of money here. If you do the $2 for January 20th, 2023, $54, guys. It'll probably round up to $55, but your average price of break even is $2.54. And you can see here for every dollar it goes up, you're going to get $63. So you're going to get a little less money, about $12 less, but you are saving money on the contract. Instead of spending $80, you're going to spend $54. So these are the two options that I'm personally looking at. But me personally, I like the January 2024 because that gives a whole lot of time. Let's look at the theta decay on this one. 0.0012. So as you can see, this one's double the theta because it is shorter time, but you have a long time to buy this. Now, this contract will lose value as time goes on if the price doesn't increase. And if the market starts to recover, I think the price will go up. But in short term, I think the dividend is the big catalyst for this. I just don't see the stock going a huge move without the dividend. I think divvy equals Mmat mooning, or if possible short squeeze and all that. So people also was asking about selling options. Now, me personally, I'm not a fan of selling options on Mmat. And if you look here, the reason for that is they don't have weekly expirations. They're like almost monthly. So you can see the next one isn't until May 20th. So if you select this May 20th, and today is Easter, happy Easter, by the way, April 17th, this contract is going to be about a month away. And let's say you have shares, but you're trying to make some extra money. So you're going to sell a covered call. So what you could do is, if you do the $2 strike, you could get $13 in premium, but you are putting up your shares at risk to sell at $2. So your break even in this is $2.13. Now, if this stock shoots up to $5, you're going to be forced to sell those shares at $2 a piece. So it could be a dangerous game. You know, this stock's been beaten down so long. There could be that time where the stock moves up and the market goes up. I can say I've been out this weekend, Friday, Saturday, today, Sunday, and the economy seems to be doing good in my area. People's out shopping. People's out spending money. People's out riding around. I mean, it was busy everywhere I went. So I think that's a good sign. I don't see we're in any kind of recession. People's out traveling. People on my Facebook is out posting. They're on vacation. They're planning vacation. So it's not that stay at home anymore. I think there's more people out doing things, in my opinion. But you could do this one here if you wanted to sell a call, if you wanted to put your shares at risk. Your break even is $1.55 on metamaterials, and we're currently at $1.50. And you would get $55 in premium there, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to put my shares at risk, hold them out for a month for a little bit of premium. I just don't know. Now, if it was weekly, I'd be more okay with it, but the premiums on these aren't that great. So for me, personally, guys, I like buying calls long distance, like January 20th, 2023 and January 19th, 2024. Me personally, I like this January 19th, 2024. That gives you 2 years to let the stock do something. And in 2 years, if we're not over $2.80 at some point, you know, then we might have to consider reevaluating our situation here. I just think right now, if we see the stock market moving and metamaterials doesn't move, then we have an issue. But I think once the market starts to move, I think this stock will move right along with it. So let's take a quick look here. Speaking of the dividend, as we did earlier, take a look at the oil prices. As you can see, WTI crude is at $107.09, and Brent crude is at $113. And if we look here on Thursday, metamaterials trading at $1.49, it says. Average volume 5.6 million. We trade at 2.3 million. Go take a look at Mmtlp. End the day at $1.10. Average volume 638,000. We trade at 321,000 in volume. And we go take a look at the short interest according to the Fintel. Short squeeze scores at 90.09, rank 119 out of 5,500 stocks, all but 5,600 stocks. Gamma squeeze score 75.06. Short shares that are available is 150,000. And short bar fee is 6.85. So it is still kind of expensive. FINRA short volume ratio is a 57.94 according to the FINRA on Thursday the 14th. And look at the aggregate though, a 62.42. Like that is a big jump from there. So between the FINRA, CBOE, and PSX, it was the high short volume ratio on Thursday. And that's probably because they know most traders, most day traders, swing traders, they're going to sell their positions on Thursday and re-enter on Monday. They don't want to hold them over the weekend in case something crazy happens. That's what most traders do. So that is all I got for you guys in today's video. If you appreciate this, here me giving my thoughts, my opinions on options, please smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, helps out the algorithm. And if there's any more details on options that maybe I didn't cover, something that you're looking forward to or you want to know about more on options of MMAT, leave a comment down below or message me on join the YouTube channel membership. You can private message me or join the Patreon group. So I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.